It would be very helpful if you first try to solve the problem yourself before watching this video.
Question 94. If function f of x is equal to natural log x, which of the following is equal to f prime e? Remember the definition of the derivative. F prime a is equal to limit as h approaches 0, f of a plus h minus f of a over h, right? Here we're trying to find f prime e. So we're going to substitute e for a. E. Here our function f of x is equal to natural log x, right? So f of e is equal to natural log e. And f of e plus h is equal to natural log e plus h, right? So let's rewrite this definition right here. F prime e is equal to limit h approaches 0. We have natural log e plus h minus natural log e over h, right? This can be written as limit as h approaches 0, 1 over h times all of this expression right here, right? Using the log property, the property of logarithm, we know that natural log a plus b, natural log b, is equal to natural log a times b, right? What if we have a subtraction? Natural log a minus natural log b, that's going to be natural log a over b. Remember, natural log a to the power of c, that is equal to c times natural log a, right? This c goes in front of log. Okay, so using these properties right here, we're going to use the second property actually. This expression right here can be written as natural log e plus h over e, right? If we have a subtraction, we'll have one natural log and it's going to be a over b. Okay, just like this. So let's simplify this expression right here. E plus h over e. E plus h over e is equal to e over e plus h over e. So that's 1 plus h over e, right? So this expression can be written again as h approaches 0, 1 over h times natural log 1 plus h over e. So the answer is B, right? So the answer is B.